We just had a tornado go through a little while ago, and this is all the damage. Viewing. This tree really took a hit. Be back around the other side in a second. Okay, I got two big limbs on my barn roof. One of them went through. I'll climb up there on the second floor. Went through the fiberglass light panel. It's thinner than the rest of the roof. This tree really took a hit. You can see we got some big limbs there. One's just hanging up there. Limbs all over the yard. Everything just got tossed around. There's one up through the skylight right there. It's just hanging. That's about a 10-inch round limb. There's another one broke off up there. We were just playing with the grandkids, all my son and daughter and their spouses are here with all the kids. All the grandkids are here. This tree really Chantel's tree took a hit, and that's a vibrant pecan tree too. It was a heck of a wind. Took out the fence over here as well. A lot of limbs down everywhere. Couple big limbs still on the. I don't know how I'm gonna get them off. They didn't dent the roof up too bad. Climb up there in a minute. There's the limb that went through my roof. Got buckets down here to help save the floor and the ceiling in the shop. All right, well, that's enough of that for now.